रावण ने जब तपस्या की शिव जी की, तो उसने बोला शिव जी को आप हमारे उधर आ जाओ मेरे महल में। तब शिव जी ने कहा वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो आप क्या करो, मेरा ये आत्मलिंग लेके जाओ।
ओके।
जब रावण ने वो आत्मलिंग लेके गए, तो बीच में देवता सोचने लगे अगर ये आत्मलिंग लेके गया अपने इधर महल में तो उसका विजय होगा, यानी कि उसको कोई नहीं मार सकता।
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you'd react to me. So much differently. I am different. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting so much differently. Doubted all that I could do.
Mirjan is a small village in the Uttara Kannada district of Karnataka. It is located about 12 kilometers away from Kumta town. It takes around 30 minutes to drive here from GOKARNA, the popular tourist destination nearby. The fort at Mirjan is a sight to behold during the monsoon season, when the walls are covered with a thick layer of green moss. Mirjan Fort is built on the banks of Aganashni River, which meets the Arabian Sea nearby. The port in this region was one of the thriving export hubs during the days of Vijayanagara Empire. Black pepper, cinnamon, and other spices were exported from this port. One legend suggests that the fort here was constructed by Queen Chenna Devi of Vijayanagara lineage, who ruled from Gerusoppa during the 16th century. She controlled the coastal regions of Karnataka and the ports in this belt, from where spices, mainly pepper, was exported to Europe. The Portuguese who conducted trade with her had given her the title, the Pepper Queen.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity,